Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. Bitcoin's fallen today, but it's been waddling around, so not really all that new. But there are most altcoins actually, there's Celo that's gone up today, but most altcoins have actually fallen in the last few weeks harder than Bitcoin. So I'm gonna have some good buy-in prices, at least for me. This is just my opinion, not financial advice. So we're gonna start with VET. So VET, like, there's been a lot of people looking for under a penny. I think there is a chance for a sudden drop under a penny. It probably will not last long. If you look at VETHO burn today, it is past 10 million. I'm guessing it's probably just like they're onboarding something, but we're nowhere close to 37 million, which is where we really need to be. So if VET drops below a penny, I think it's a good time for me to pick some up. You have to make your own decision, but VET under a penny is kind of like my price target. Chainlink, I actually have a very low price target, and that's because the last Chainlink pump from $7 when Bitcoin was very high was actually probably because of that whole Zeus Capital thing. People wanted to get vengeance on Zeus Capital for writing a FUD article, so they actually pumped Chainlink up to punish Zeus Capital. However, that's not a real reason to really pump. And if that happens, it does eventually come down. Now that the market's turned a little bit bearish, I do think that Chainlink is following the bearish trend. It's not resisting. It's fallen to under $9. Now, my buy-in price for Chainlink is under $4. Now, I'm not really looking to get into Chainlink that much, but I think it could actually fall to $4. And the reason is it actually pumped from like 20 cents last year. And it was like around $4 until very recently, until a couple of months ago when it started going up again. I do think the $4 did actually reflect the price. Like that's a 20x from last year, from May of last year, of all the partnerships. And I think a lot of it was just FOMO, and in a bearish kind of market, it could deflate pretty fast. So I'm willing to take a bigger risk on Chainlink and not buy until it hits under $4. ICX, I'm looking for under 30 cents. And ICX can actually, despite all the Korean Jeju Island thing, which I think will actually launch in November or December for holidays, and that could really boost ICX up. I'm looking at under 30 cents. Realistically, I'm probably going to buy around 35 if it gets there. But I'm actually going to buy around 30 cents. That's like a really good point. I don't think it's going to reach the 15 cents that it was like really early this year because of all the developments, and I don't think Bitcoin's going to dump that hard. Although if we have a flash crash, I'll be more than happy to pick some up at 15 cents, and I hope that actually happens. But I'm looking to maybe like sub 30 would be a very good buy zone for ICX. So TRX, it's actually under 2.5 already. But I'm actually looking under 2 cents. I know Tron has a lot of FOMO, and I might be missing out on the lot by not purchasing Tron right now because it's getting into DeFi, and anything that touches DeFi generally goes up. Tron's gone up a lot, and I think if we enter an extended bearish market, if Bitcoin drops around 10K again, I think Tron can get under 2 cents, and that would be a fairly strong buy zone for me. So I'm looking at Tron under 2 cents. I think I will try to acquire some ICX first, and then maybe acquire the other stuff later, because ADA, VET, ICX, still the three that I'm really looking at. ADA, I'm okay with the amount I actually have now, so I don't plan to buy any more ADA. But ICX and VET, I am looking to acquire, but ICX first, then VET, and then Tron, and then maybe Link. So we'll actually look at how that actually plays out, but those are my buy-in points for those 4 cryptos. So let me know if you like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.